Now, this tongue right here represents Esau and his power to control the narrative, if you will, through his rhetoric, starting with his laws and legislations, down to his media, which is now unfolding. What we read in here is a prophecy that we're in the midst of. See, long gone are the days of, this thing being around the corner or fast approaching. No, we're right in the midst of prophecy being fulfilled, especially in relation to Esau rising up against his brother Jacob. Let's read this again. It says, "Thou shalt keep them secretly in a pavilion from the strife of tongues." See? Now, real quick, let's click on this word, strife. Yeah, and it says strife, controversy, dispute, strife, quarrel, which all of these words here are words best suited when describing contention, which ultimately translates to war. So when the scripture speaks about the strife of tongues, again, those tongues represent the power that Esau has to control the narrative through his legislations and laws, which are on display through his media, which are all set up in effort to wage war against the children of Israel. Now, when you stroll down here to the Strong's definitions for this word strife, it takes you to the word adversary. Adversary, which for those of us in the know, we understand that this word adversary goes back to the Hebrew word Satan, which translates to Satan, which would be none other than that old serpent, the devil and Satan, the so-called white man himself. So the warning that emanates from the Holy Scriptures has nothing to do with Satan in the mythical sense. Some guy in a red spandex suit with a pointed tail and a set of horns.